Hey there, procrastinators! Still scrambling to find that perfect Valentine's Day gift? Don't worry, I've got you covered with some awesome last-minute options that are sure to arrive in time. Let's dive in. First up, we have the forget real roses that wilt in days. These Lego roses are fun and last forever. Plus, with over 30,000 Amazon shoppers singing its praises, you can't go wrong. And at just $13, it's a steal. Next, get ready to sweeten your Valentine's Day with it's a collection of 10 mini jars of delicious preserves and honey, all for $27. Trust me, it's as sweet as it sounds. For something more personal, check out the Capture Those Precious Memories in a beautiful personalized photo book for just $27. It's a heartfelt gift that'll be cherished for years. Now, if you're looking to spark some deep conversations, the is your go-to. These conversation starter cards help couples connect on a deeper level, all for $28. Alright, let's talk about gifts for him. How about some? Playful and comfy, these otter-themed socks are just $13. Perfect for adding a little fun to his wardrobe. If he needs to unwind, he is a fantastic choice. This electric massager, complete with a heat function, is just $46. Say goodbye to stress. For the foodie in your life, grab it's a delightful mix of 30 Japanese snacks for only $24, a tasty adventure in a box, and for something practical, the is perfect. This beanie comes with a built-in LED light and costs just $18. Great for those winter nights. Switching gears to gifts for her, they are a luxurious treat. These rose-scented shower tablets come in a 15-pack for $25. Pamper her with a spa-like experience at home. For ultimate coziness, the is a must. This oversized Sherpa-lined hoodie is just $29 and perfect for snuggling. To keep her feet happy, the is a great pick. Hydrating and refreshing, this foot mask is only $10. And for a touch of sparkle, the is stunning. At $110, it's a bit of a splurge, but totally worth it. Now for the kiddos and teens, check out this sensory squish toy is just $8 and super fun. Or the for $10, it's a hilarious card game they'll love. For a cool room decor, the is perfect. At $14, it adds a cute vibe to any space. And finally, the is a hit. 3 adorable squishmallows in a bouquet for $20, that's it. These last-minute Valentine's Day gifts are sure to impress and arrive on time. Happy shopping, and have a love-filled Valentine's Day.